Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So find the Maclaurin series for this function up to order 4. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, we are going to make use of this. We are going to make use of sine of x. So sine of x. So sine of x. So sine of x equals this thing, and then it will be this thing to the power 3, this thing to the power 5. So you can imagine this as being this. So if you have sine a bubble, that would be equal to the bubble minus, and then the bubble to the power 3. It would be bubble to the power 3, and then bubble to the power 5, bubble to the power 5. So here we're going to put this into here. So this will be x to the power 3 minus x. This will be x to the power 3 minus x. This will be x to the power 3 minus x. X to the power 3 minus x. Because we're doing it up to order 4, we don't really need anything beyond this. So this thing here will then become this. Remember, we don't need anything beyond here because this is x to the power 4, and we're doing up. Sorry, this is x to the power 5, and we're doing up to order 4. So if you well, this thing here will then become this, and then this thing here, it means the bubble multiplied by itself 3 times. The bubble multiplied by itself 3 times. Because we're doing up to order 4, if you look at this, there is x to the power 3 in here. So it would be this times this times this. That's the only thing. Because we're doing up to order 4, here you've got x to the power 3. There's nothing beyond. There's no x to the power 4 now. If you get this times this times this, that would then give you x to the power 5. That's, well, there is just x to the power 3 in here, and we are interested in x to the power 3. So if you multiply this out, you will get lots of other terms, but there will be x to the power 3 in here. So it will be this times this times this. That will then give you minus x to the power 3. But so you're going to get minus x to the power 3 in here somewhere. But then you've got a minus here. So you've got a minus and a minus here. That would then become a plus. You can, well, we're going to forget about all the other terms. So we are only interested in this x to the power 3. Because if you multiply this out, you're going to get something like, I don't know, x to the power 5, maybe somewhere in there you're going to get x to the power or x to the power 9, and then somewhere in there you're going to get minus x to the power 3 and over 3 factorial, and then you can split this up. So this is like one fraction, x to the power 5 over 3, and then plus x to the power 9 over 3 factorial, and then this will, you see, we are only interested in this one here, so we can ignore all the others. Well, the point, well, anyway, from here, that will then take you to here, and then try and merge these two together, because this is x to the power 3, x to the power 3, so we need to get the two denominators to be the same, so times top and bottom by 6, so now you've got 6x to the power 3 plus this, that will then give you 7x to the power 3 over 6. So this is your Maclaurin series up to order 4. Okay.